shot in the air.
Well, we have to take it.
Yeah, she figured out. I went to school.
I didn't go to school.
You went to phone school.
Didn't. We don't have that kind of phone, Michael.
I don't care. She said it was.
We didn't go to phone school.
Stuck in a tree.
It didn't happen.
What are you looking for? Maybe Chris will figure it out. Well, ours has an actual. You don't have a button on the side, Michael?
No.
Ours is like a little thing.
You should be able to go right to the control panel there.
Yeah, don't see it.
Forward.
Look.
Is this a new bulb?
No.
And our
It's
book
the
is.
only time we need it is when we're talking to kids.
Well, you know what? When you've got the iPhone, you can just type it in. Online, and it'll bring up instructions.
That's an old phone.
Pretty much. Pretty much. For my office, it doesn't get synced.
I think it's the one you
Yeah.
The camera and volume, that's it.
Yeah, camera.
Yeah.
Camera's on the side right here.
Volume's above it.
Maybe 9 hours and I'll eat like a dry roll.
Yeah.
So there's a little tire. I don't know what that is. You're doing job. Watch it, Samantha. Just smack you in the head.
That little cooking thing from the next.
Oh, I wondered what that was. I didn't know if it was hanging from your... Oh, cute! Where'd you get that?
Oh, my grandma, my nana ordered it for me.
That's neat.
From the Taser Home magazine.
Cool.
Yeah.
Hey! Come on!
Can you imagine if that was around during this movie Jaws of Food Turtles?
It'd be fun.
Oh, there's like little teeny fish on here.
Yeah.